Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Girardi, CEO of ProEst, and welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're talking about our education program. What ProEst is doing is donating its services, its platform, its products to any accredited university across the globe. Our goal is to get students involved in technology and understanding technology very early in their careers, so once they get into the job force, they have more tools, they have more education on what's possible from a technology standpoint. So if you want more information about this, proest.com/solutions/education is right on our website. But I'm going to get in and show you an idea of how they're utilizing ProEst in their curriculums. Okay, it's a real easy lift. So in V16 of ProEst, which I'm displaying right now, if we go down to the Education tab, we see that there's two new certifications. And this is a perfect place for instructors to allow their students to get in and take classes on this on their own time, which is easy to do, right? So if I come into one of these, and right now there's two certifications, more are being added, but I click into a certification for a project manager as an example, it tells you about the course, it tells you, how much time it's going to approximately take to do the course. And then if I click in here, I get an idea of, what are all the chapters within this course. There's videos, tutorials stepping them through the course, as well as tests that happen within the course, right? So as a student goes through this, they're going to not only better understand the functionality and the process and the flow of the system, but also they will be tested on it, right? So they will get a grade on it, and the teacher themselves, or the instructor, over here on the Users tab, will list all the students, list what certifications they've done. If they've passed them, they have to get a grade of 80 or above to pass, and what their score was, right? So not only are we making our platform available so they can learn and become more knowledgeable about pre-construction, the estimating, the takeoff process, but also there's a whole grading system where we can grade how knowledgeable they are on the technology, and this is built in functioning within ProEst. Again, it is 100% on our dime. So trying to give back to the construction community to allow our students coming up through the ranks to become more knowledgeable and have more tools at their disposal. Thank you very much. That's this month's edition of Tech Talk, and hopefully you can take advantage of this educational program that we're operating. Thank you very much. Have a great month, folks.